In this video, I will show you how to create the virtual phone number for your Shopify store. Let's get started. So you actually have two options. You can head over on here on your left sidebar, click on Add Apps. Then from there, scroll down until you can see the Shopify App Store. Now, once you have opened your Shopify App Store, you can just head over and then search in here for phone number. Then once you have that, you should be able to see some results for your phone numbers that they have. So in here, just choose which ones you want to use. So you can also choose the ones that you can use for this, which is actually built for Shopify. So you can also search in here for toll-free in order to be toll-free once you have head over and put this toll-free phone number on your Shopify. So for example, you can just head over and add the app that you think is for you. Like for example, this phone size phone call that you can add a floating phone or call as button. Now, if you want is you can actually have an open in here a new tab, search in here for Google number. And then once you have searched in here for Google number, you can see this Google Voice. So if you head over and put this Google Voice right here, you should be able to use this for personal use or for business. So since, for example, we're using it on Shopify, you can click on this for business right here. Then in here, just click on Get Started. And you can see that they have this starter plan, best value plan, as well as premier plans. You can actually use 10 users, regional location is none, domestic location as up to 10. And you can use this to calls between Google Voice numbers included, and you can actually integrate it on your Shopify in order to make and use this as your own. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, if you leave like below, subscribe because it has to reach more people. See you soon.